Mastering TOEFL and IELTS, Sending Scores to Institutions. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to talk about an important part of your TOEFL and IELTS journey, sending your scores to institutions. After your hard work in preparing for and taking these tests, you will want to ensure that your results reach the institutions that you're applying to. So, let's dive in. Once you have your test scores, you may be wondering, what's next? Well, the next crucial step is to send your scores to your chosen institutions. Both the TOEFL and IELTS have established processes to send your scores to universities, colleges, and other educational bodies worldwide. In case of TOEFL, ETS, the organization that conducts the TOEFL test, sends the scores to the institutions you've selected, while for IELTS, the test centers are responsible for sending your test report form to the institutions you've chosen. After taking the TOEFL, you can send your scores to up to 4 institutions for free. You'll be asked to provide the details of these institutions before the test date. Remember, it's essential to know the exact codes of the institutions to which you want to send your scores. If you wish to send your scores to additional institutions, there is a fee, and you can do this through your TOEFL account online after the test. For the IELTS, the process is a bit different. You can request your test center to send your test report form to up to 5 institutions, again at no cost. You can do this either at the time of booking or within 1 month of your test date. If you need to send your scores to additional institutions or after this 1-month period, you will need to pay a fee. The important part here is to contact your test center directly to make these arrangements. Remember, both TOEFL and IELTS scores are valid for 2 years. So you need to make sure you apply to institutions within this time frame. Also, it usually takes about 13 days for TOEFL scores and 13 to 15 days for IELTS scores to be available online. But keep in mind that postal delivery times can vary, so plan accordingly and give your chosen institutions plenty of time to receive and process your scores. That's it for today's video on sending your TOEFL and IELTS scores to institutions. Now you know the process, and we hope it will help you manage this important step in your language learning journey. Good luck with your applications, and remember, preparation and timing are key. Keep practicing and see you in our next video.